SegWit, short for Segregated Witness, is a major Bitcoin protocol upgrade designed to improve scalability and efficiency. This upgrade fundamentally changed how Bitcoin handles transaction data, addressing critical limitations that were hindering the network's growth and performance. Segregated Witness is a protocol upgrade that changes how transaction data is stored in Bitcoin blocks. The key innovation is that it separates signature data from transaction data. SegWit was implemented as a soft fork in August 2017, meaning it was backward compatible with older Bitcoin software. SegWit was created to solve two major problems facing Bitcoin. First, transaction malleability, where transaction identifiers could be altered before confirmation, breaking dependent transactions and causing issues for complex smart contracts. Second, the 1 megabyte block size limit, which restricted transaction throughput and caused fees to skyrocket during periods of high demand. Before SegWit, transaction data and signature data were bundled together in the same block structure. After SegWit, these two components are separated. The transaction data remains in the main block, while signature data is moved to a separate witness structure. This simple but powerful change enables multiple improvements to the Bitcoin network. By moving signature data to a separate witness structure outside the base transaction block, SegWit achieves two critical improvements. It fixes transaction malleability by excluding witness data from transaction identifier calculation, making transaction IDs immutable. It also allows more transactions per block without changing the original 1 megabyte limit, effectively increasing network capacity. SegWit delivers three major benefits to the Bitcoin network. First, increased capacity, with block weight expanding up to 4 megabytes effective size. Second, lower transaction fees, because more transactions fit in each block, reducing competition for block space. Third, it enables the Lightning Network and other second-layer scaling solutions that require transaction malleability fixes to function properly. SegWit was activated in August 2017 as a soft fork on the Bitcoin network. Adoption was gradual, with wallets and services progressively integrating SegWit support over time. Today, the majority of Bitcoin transactions use SegWit addresses, demonstrating its success and widespread acceptance throughout the ecosystem. SegWit revolutionized Bitcoin by separating witness data, fixing transaction malleability, and enabling advanced scaling solutions. It serves as the foundation for Bitcoin's scalability and Layer 2 innovation, proving that the network can evolve and adapt to meet growing demands while maintaining security and decentralization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.